Working in Autodesk Inventor and need to open an IPN file showing assembly-disassembly sequences, these create exploded views and animated assembly instructions. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through using these Autodesk Inventor presentation files. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful IPN troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. An IPN file is an exploded view presentation or animation of a 3D assembly created in Autodesk Inventor. Engineers and designers use these files to create assembly instructions, manuals, and presentations that demonstrate how complex parts fit together, making it a critical part of product documentation. This is a proprietary binary format designed to store animation timelines, camera positions, and references to the assembly components, IAM, and parts, IPT. It doesn't contain the geometry itself, but rather instructions on how to manipulate and display the reference models, keeping file sizes manageable. The optimal viewer for the IPN format is generally considered to be Autodesk Inventor from Autodesk. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated proprietary software. Windows won't display parametric or assembly data, so full access depends on dedicated modeling tools. To guarantee file access, right-click your IPN file and select Open With. If Autodesk Inventor is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to force the file open with a compatible application. If your IPN file still refuses to open, stay calm. The primary software didn't cooperate. That's fine. We pivot. I need you to execute these 3 focused steps to pinpoint the exact IPN error. First, opening an Autodesk Inventor. Launch Autodesk Inventor and use File then Open to load the IPN file. Inventor loads the presentation along with referenced assembly files. The storyboard animation pane shows the animation timeline with tween points defining component movements. Play animations to view assembly sequences, edit movements, or generate output for documentation and instruction purposes. Next, generating animation videos. Use Inventor's Publish function to generate AVI, MP4, or animated GIF videos from IPN presentations. Configure resolution, frame rate, and quality settings appropriate for the intended use. Output videos integrate into technical documentation, training materials, product manuals, or marketing content, showcasing assembly procedures or product features visually for audiences. Finally, creating exploded views. Create exploded view drawings from IPN presentations through Inventor's drawing module. Reference the IPN file in a new drawing, creating exploded views showing component relationships. These drawings include parts lists, balloons, and dimensions, creating comprehensive assembly documentation for manufacturing service or technical communication purposes throughout product life cycles. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.